Welcome guys. Apply heat on the back cover of the phone. Make space with blade between back cover and body. Remove back cover of the phone with X-ray or plastic sheet as showing in the video. Remove tape from the body. Must remove camera glass first, because the screws are under the camera glass. Remove all the screws now. Disconnect power button flex connector from the main board. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove inner body. Disconnect sub flex connector. Disconnect antenna wires. Remove pull-out charging port board. Take new charging port board and install it in the body. Connect sub flex connector to the charging port board. Connect antenna wires to the charging port board. Install inner body. Connect power button from connector to the main board. Put back all the screws. Install camera glasses. Apply gum around the body on the place of back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.